Hi guys! For today's video, I'm going to be transitioning my living room from fall to Halloween. I could definitely leave it as is. I have really loved the way I decorated for fall this year. I feel like it has that fall vibe, but it also has like that Halloween element with the slightly spookier look. I'm using darker colors and blacks. And then over here we have the crows again and all of those vibrant colors for fall, and then we have these pillows over here as well. So plaid is definitely something that I would use more in line with fall than I would Halloween. So we're definitely going to change up the pillows, and we're going to change up the pumpkins and do something a little bit more Halloween-y. And then I'm going to do a whole pumpkin setup here because we painted pumpkins, my daughter and I. So it was the very first time that I've painted pumpkins, I think. It was a lot of fun, so I'm going to go ahead and start this video off by inserting the clips of us painting the pumpkins, and then I will get them all staged right here by the fireplace, and then we will work on the rest of the space. So I want to start off with a clean slate right here, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this basket back. And now I'm going to stack some of my bigger pumpkins towards the back. Towards the back like this, and then maybe do one of these like plastic pumpkins. This is from the at-home store, just to bring in some black. So, all right, for now we're gonna leave it as is, and I'm gonna go ahead and work on this bottom part right here. So we've got the bigger pumpkins that have no painting done on them. I kind of want them to be on the back. Alright, I actually think that looks really cute. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and remove these pumpkins. They're just not going with the flow of what I'm using here. So I'm just going to get these removed. Now I want to go ahead and move on to the pillows before I finish off the rest of the areas in the living room. So we're going to get rid of the navy and the plaid. We're going to keep this main pillow, and we're going to get rid of the prints there. I'll show you guys what I have. So I ordered these off of Amazon. They come in a pack of 4. So we've got this one, the cute candy corn. Then we've got the witch one. This one's a separate one that I ordered. It says Boo, and it actually has like some embroidery on it. And then we've got this stripe. So these 4 go together. Got the striped bats and the striped ghost. So I'm actually thinking I'm gonna go with these 2 because I feel like they are more complementary with this whole look together rather than the polka dots. I feel like this with the polka dots isn't flowing as naturally, which I really thought I was gonna do a candy corn theme in the living room. I really did. I don't know what happened. We're gonna do a candy corn theme in the entryway and in the guest bathroom and in the kitchen, but it's just not gonna go in the living room this year. All right, so we're just gonna do some YouTube magic, and all right, so here's what they look like. I think it looks really cute. I actually really love the striped pillows. So I also put in some black pillow covers as well. They're like a nice velvet. It's like really soft, and I got that for a pack of 2 from Amazon as well. From Amazon, I'll link it down below for you guys. The orange pillows I think came from TJ Maxx. I'm not sure where I got them. They're in a haul somewhere. But all right, so we've got the pillow situation worked out. I removed all the navy. Alright, gonna go through a final little tour before I move on to the next space. I'm gonna work on the guest bathroom. So this is what I came up with, the console table. I actually didn't really give this space much thought for Halloween, so I just kind of threw this together with the decor I had. Gorgeous little piece, the black pumpkin, and then I decided to put like one single pumpkin down there because there's like wires going on. So I thought it needed something, but I didn't want to over add because I felt like this was a lot. So just the one pumpkin. I think the birds work really well with the painted pumpkin, so I decided to leave it, and then that way just makes the transition from my fall to Halloween a lot smoother. I don't have to, you know, bring in a bunch of new decor, so it was a lot easier to do it that way. And then this little pillow is so cute. I think this is my first time using it. I believe it came from the at-home store, and I got it on sale after the last Halloween, so yeah, so we got it on October 12th, and it's such a cute little countdown pillow. And then we have, you know, the black is really what I wanted to focus on. That was going to be the way that I was going to tie everything into the birds and give it that Halloween look. I think this is just a showstopper for me. It's just so pretty and fun. It's the first time I ever painted pumpkins, and I absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to have to do it every single year. And yeah, they are super cute. And then just the pumpkins over here, pretty simple. And then the pumpkins over here as well. And the pillows, which I think it's really hard to kind of give you guys a full 360 if you were standing in this space. You would, like, if I back up like this, you can kind of get the pillows in the same shot with the pumpkins, and I just think it looks really cute. Pretty hard angle to film in, so I'm just going to share this shot so they can kind of see what's going on the top here, and then the towels in the back. There's not really too much of a consistent theme going on. I just kind of put together a couple of things that I really liked. This little pumpkin right here is from Amazon. I got it last year and I've been waiting all year to put this pumpkin out, and I thought that it would just look really cute in here. I should have gone with like a little ghost theme. I think that would have been really cute, and I might still do that. I just have to go pick up some ghosts from Dollar Tree, but I had this pumpkin on hand, so I decided to put it over here. But I might end up moving this into the kitchen if I do go with like an all ghost theme later. But I added this little house, which even if I do the ghost, I'll keep the house because like they're haunting the little house, and that makes sense. It'll be a great transition from the entryway because that's going to be the next space that we're going to decorate, and we're going to have some spooky houses there. So this space will just flow really nicely off the entryway. And then you can see here that I added these black hand towels. I think they're from Tuesday Morning. I really love the fact that there's a ghost one, which oddly enough, I got it for the candy corn one. Alright, so we got the candy corn fix in, and actually when I did the DIY for these spooky houses from Dollar Tree, I had 5 total houses up, but I decided to just go with 3 this time so that I could also stack these little candy corn wood blocks. They're from Amazon. I don't know if they're available or not. I will link them down below. This garland, I think is like either Ross or Marshall's. I'm not sure where I got it, but it's super cute, and I like the whole combination of all the fall colors. And again, the fact that I have the spooky houses going on, which just transitions really well to, you know, this little piece here. And that's actually going to be it for today's decorating video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the 3 spaces and gave you any additional ideas. I know we're already in the middle of the month of Halloween, you know, the middle of October. I actually don't keep Halloween decor very long. I usually do actually about 2 weeks worth. So this is exactly when I start decorating myself. I do tend to prefer keeping fall up as long as possible, so that's why I only keep Halloween up a short amount of time. But it's been super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the ideas and the video, and I will see you guys next time.